And welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. National champion Britany Anderson says that she could not have asked for much more after taking the silver medal at the World Athletics Championships in the fastest ever women's 100-meter hurdles race. Anderson ended second in a wind-aided 12.23 seconds behind a sensational run of 12.06 seconds from Nigerian world record holder Toby Amuson. Now, Anderson, who set a new national record of 12.31 seconds in the semi-final, was denied the opportunity to lower that mark as the aiding wind was beyond the allowable limit of 2.0 meters per second.
I trusted myself and I had trust in God that everything was going to come out to be the best. And I worked for it. So, yes, I definitely did that. I could do it.
Now, Jamaica ended the championship with 10 medals after also winning silver in the men's and women's 4x400 meter relay on the final day. In football, former Premier League campaigners Barbican FC made it 2 wins from 2 in the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association Championship after edging Ligani 3-2. They were led by a brace from Akina Bailey, whose strikes came from the penalty spot in minutes 8 and 75. Jermaine Paris got the other goal, while DeAndre Ford and Jaime Bryan found the goals for Ligani, who were suffering a second defeat. And Brownstone were beaten 3-0 by Medforest in their contest. Tavoy Goldspring, Giovanni Bryan and Anthony Greenland got the goals. In the Casafa Major League, Bull Bay clipped New Kingston 3-2, while Maxfield had a 1-0 win over August Town. And Technical Director at Jamaica College, Davian Ferguson, says there is no truth to speculations that he will be joining former Reggae Boys coach Theodore Whitmore at Mount Pleasant Football Academy. The St. Anne team is expected to officially announce Whitmore as their new head coach later this week, making him the third man to take charge of the team in the last 12 months. News emerged that Ferguson would be joining Whitmore at the club, but when contacted on Monday, Ferguson stated that there was no truth to the speculation. And in cricket, vice-captain of the West Indies, Shea Hope, says the team should not feel too deflated after suffering a close 2-wicket defeat to India on Sunday to lose their 12th straight ODI series to the visitors. Hope notched his 13th ODI century while becoming the 4th West Indian to score a century on their 100th ODI appearance, as Windies posted 311 for 6. He made 115 with 8 fours and 3 sixes and shared in a 117-run 4th wicket stand with captain Nicholas Puran, who made 74. Kyle Mears and Shamar Brooks chipped in with 39 and 35 respectively. The visitors slipped to 256 for 6 inside 45 overs, but all-rounder Aksar Patel blasted 64 from 35 balls to carry them over the line with 2 balls to spare at 312 for 8. It means that India hold an unbeatable 2-0 lead in the 3-match series. Hope says it's clear things are falling into place. Now, Wednesday's final game takes place at the same venue. And that's it for your midday sports report. Oshin, it's back to you.
Thanks, Ronaldo. Just before we go, though, your overall assessment of the World Championships for the Jamaicans?
Again, when you look at Jamaica, about 3 million of us, 10 medals across 10 days, tied with Ethiopia, and the USA 33 leading. It's just amazing what we've done. Just maybe missed 1 or 2 other gold medals, but we're not crying.
The males?
A bit disappointing, but I don't think a lot of persons expected us to have maybe 2 or 3 medals. I think the 4x4 men did a fantastic work in getting silver in the relay last evening.
All right, thanks, Ronaldo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.